Halogen ovens are excellent alternatives to full-sized ovens and cookers when you want to cook a quick meal. This is the new energy-efficient kitchen appliance that you need to incorporate in your smart kitchen. In addition to being energy efficient, these ovens can cook food quickly compared to traditional ovens. Plus, they don't decompose essential vitamins and minerals in food the same way microwaves often do. With the halogen oven, you can cook with minimal oil, so you can always have healthier foods. Even better, halogen ovens need less counter space than their bulky counterparts. These amazing cooking appliances come in a wide variety of makes and models, and after researching for many hours, we are happy to present our top picks of the 7 best halogen ovens for you. So without stalling, let's dive right in.
At Kitchen Gadget Zone, we are food enthusiast people and love to play with different kitchen tools. We test, analyze, and research innovative kitchenware and gadgets to create a shopping guide for every category based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice.
The Bredeco halogen oven cooker is usually 3 to 5 times as efficient as a regular oven, depending on your cooking intention, and that applies even in practice. Boasting the power of 1400 watts, this halogen oven provides enough heat for consistent and even cooking results all of the time. The heating element in the lid can reach temperatures of 250 degrees Celsius, and the heat will be evenly distributed throughout the container thanks to the fan. You can also set a delayed timer of 180 minutes that allows you to pause the cooking process and has the highest delayed timer. For your safety during grilling or baking, the device features overheat protection. Moreover, once the handle is raised in the vertical position, the device switches off and slowly starts to cool down. All in all, it is a fantastic unit that also includes a self-cleaning function for extra convenience. Get your roasting, grilling, boiling, bacon, and even defrosting ready 40% faster with the halogen cooker from Elgento. It has a 1300 watt power that is efficient and fast, enabling you to make pizza, full chicken, or a whole chicken within the shortest possible time. This unit features an innovative halogen cooking element that circulates hot air around the durable glass cooking bowl, ensuring even heat distribution and optimally preheating your ingredients from all sides. With a capacity of 12 liters, this cooker makes your cooking economical and lets you cook for your family with comfort. It has a manual time of 60-minute timer. You can bake, grill, boil, roast, and even defrost. Additionally, the transparent heat-resistant glass bowl cooks food faster than conventional ovens, making it perfect for lunches, evening meals, and entertaining guests. Although this is a manual cooker, there is a signal that will let you know once the cooking is over. The Tower Health Halogen Oven is a superb energy-saving substitute for home cooks, especially those who cook a lot and have limited kitchen space. With the power of 1300 watts, this cooker is more energy efficient than conventional ovens. Thus, in the long run, you can drastically reduce your electricity bills. Meanwhile, thanks to a combination of halogen, convection, and infrared technology, which enables it to compete with more powerful ovens in cooking performance. The bowl volume is 12 liters, which is sufficient for 2-tier cooking and tossing off a family-size meal. Moreover, you can expand the bowl up to 17 liters by using an extender ring. It is made of sturdy glass that is easily tempered and does not crack. And the plastic base rests on non-slip feet, so the unit will remain stable on any countertop surface. So in summary, this tower oven, with all of its benefits, is a reliable, practical, functional, energy-saving alternative to a conventional oven and will reduce the need for a microwave as well. The Russell Hobbs Halogen Oven will take the stress out of cooking with a 60-minute countdown designed to prevent burnt food. The temperature varies from 125 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius, which is great for cooking a variety of dishes including meat and veg. With 1400 watts, this oven is expected to cook 40% faster than traditional ovens, so now you can cook more within a short amount of time. Furthermore, this halogen cooker features an expansion ring that gives you the option to cook in a large batch because the capacity is increased from 11 to 16 liters. Due to the capability of roasting, baking, and grilling, you can create almost any type of food you desire with this fantastic cooker. This cooker features a 60-minute countdown timer that lets you feel safe and ensures your foods aren't at risk of burning. Overall, this oven removes the need for multiple pans in cooking a whole meal. Are you looking for a reliable multitasker halogen cooker? Then meet the Daewoo Deluxe, a multitasking cooker that is a real lifesaver for a family of busy people and households with children. A 1300 watt heating element with a halogen lamp produces adequate power to heat food faster than any electric or gas oven, while the fan-assisted technology distributes heated air evenly, ensuring no cold corners or hot spots. With an adjustable thermostat operating between 125 degrees Celsius and 250 degrees Celsius, you can set precisely the cooking temperature in order to achieve the desired cooking results. For easy cleaning, simply fill your air fryer with hot soapy water, set it to self-clean function, and watch it. Voila! It is ready to use for next time. In short, this Daewoo halogen cooker is a high-performance and energy-efficient choice that can fit a household of 4 or 5. Cook your favorite snacks quickly and easily with the Rosewill, an infrared halogen oven with lots of premium features to enhance your cooking experience while giving you great value for money. It brings a free extender ring to increase the cooking capacity to 18 quarts, allowing you to serve large portions to the family. With easy 2-dial controls, you can simply set the cooking time and temperature or refer to the cooking chart on the lid. It will prepare foods to perfection while giving you the ability to monitor them at all times through the transparent glass bowl. This unit cooks with rapid heating and little oil, keeping the natural flavors and nutrients for preparing and retaining healthy dishes. The infrared convection oven saves up to 60% more energy than a standard oven since it steams, air fries, and prepares food smartly. When the lid handle is lifted during cooking, a locking mechanism will automatically turn off the convection oven so you don't have to be worried about safety. Smart and versatile, the Nutrichef is the best halogen oven on the list, allowing you to cook your favorite foods even faster, as well as save energy while adding extra convenience to your life. The cooking technology uses a halogen lamp to evenly cook food, ensuring the outside part of the food will be perfectly cooked and the inside will remain moist, so you can enjoy everything about your meal. There is no need at all to preheat the air fryer because the rapid air circulation keeps the temperature you have already set elevated very quickly. And if you lose track of time while the food is being cooked in the air fryer, then your food won't get burned because of overtime cooking. And once the preset time runs out, the oven will automatically turn off, making it an energy-saving option. The air fryer is very well suited for your kitchen counter. You can simply place it on top of it and it won't occupy much space. To sum up, you should definitely give the Nutrichef Halogen Oven a try because of the intelligence and impressive cooking technology it comprises of. So that was all about the 7 best halogen ovens. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share if you found the video helpful, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. And tell us what kitchen gadgets you want to see next in the comments.